Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get stretched resolution on your PC in 2025. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel from the drop-down menu. If you don't see it, make sure your drivers are up to date. Next, head to the Display tab on the left-hand side and select Change Resolution. From here, click on the Customize button below the list of resolutions. Check the box for Enable Resolutions, not exposed by the display, and click Create Custom Resolution. Adjust the resolution to something like 1440 by 1080 for a stretched look. Hit Test, and if it works, click OK to save it. Now, select your new custom resolution from the list and click Apply. Your screen will adjust to the stretched resolution instantly. To use this in video games, you'll also need to apply the custom resolution in the game's display settings. This ensures everything looks properly stretched during gameplay. And that's it. You now have stretched resolution on your PC in 2025. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you next time.